Celebrating a funeral. Being festive at a wake. Oh, drinking O positive to get the juices flowing. Taunting enemies. Oh, look at those beautiful necks.
Master, I don't think you're describing these accurately.
Shut it, Igor. That kid looks pissed.
Character voices are great, with the right visuals. For this type of commercial, you need the right voice, and the talent also needs to know what he's talking about. You invest a boatload of money creating the perfect commercial. Don't skimp out on the voiceover.
Ooh, MikeStout.com. Blah, blah.
I want to be voiceover talent.